The Chitpur Bridge of Kolkata has stood its ground since 1934. Much like the city itself, the bridges in Kolkata have a strong undertone of antiquity.
This is the type of construction which started in 1930s in India. One of the earliest example of bowstring bridge. It is the top chord which is in the shape of a bow or a arch, and the string is the bottom chord, the tension member which keeps the bow in position. The beauty of this structure is there will be no horizontal force onto the foundations.
In the inspection conducted by Kolkata Metropolitan Development Authority or KMDA, this 24-meter-long bowstring bridge found itself among the list of vulnerable bridges and flyovers. Intervention was inevitable. In August 2019, LASA was awarded the consultancy services of Chitpur Bridge. The state of the bridge was surveyed. Non-destructive tests were performed. The seemingly healthy bridge revealed very active and prominent corrosion in selected areas. In the vertical hangers, soffit of the deck slab and cross beams, main steel reinforcements had lost its diameter at several locations. In short, the sectional strength of structural members were being severed by corrosion day after day. Adding to its woes, the neighbouring Tala Bridge would be closed down and dismantled soon, sending substantial traffic through Chitpur Bridge. To prevent a catastrophe, the immediate repair and strengthening of the hangars was absolutely necessary, and it had to be done fast, with due diligence. That was when Sanrachna came to the rescue. Sanrachna has decades of expertise in structural retrofitting and has undertaken countless bridge repair and strengthening projects. In Chitpur, we started off with shot blasting for a clear picture of the underlying structural distresses. Delamination and spalling was detected and removed with hammer and chisel. The exposed rebars of the hangars were treated for corrosion, and section was rebuilt with high-strength micro-concrete. The underside of the bridge was made accessible with platforms supported on structural steel sections. Shot blasting was carried out. Delaminated concrete removed, and pressure grouting was conducted for improving the microstructure of the beams and deck slab. Exposed bars were treated for corrosion, and sections were rebuilt appropriately. With the basic repairs done, we turned to strengthening. Ultra high-strength carbon fiber sheet SRM CRAP UD400 was applied for strengthening the hangars from all angles. The same SRM CRAP UD400 was used in the underside of the bridge for enhancing the strength of deck slab and cross beams. On the top, the base of the hangars were armoured with a 1.2 meter tall covering block.
What these trained workmen of Sanrachna are doing is the process of transferring the load from the vertical concrete members, reinforced concrete members, on to the set of 4 McAlloy bars, which you can see are threaded, and McAlloy bars can carry lot of tension. After observing the damage to the verticals, the bridge committee took a decision that the only way of making this bridge continue to serve is to make the concrete verticals defunct and instead introduce these vertical tension bars for carrying the entire load from the concrete onto the steel bars.
Upon retightening the nuts, the post-tensioning was permanently transferred to the hangars, making them safe for a lifetime. With the application of protective coatings on the bridge, our work was complete. Historic infrastructure rendered safe for the generations to come. Sanrachna, leaders in structural retrofitting.